Very good morning, dear students. Today again I'm here with a new story, very interesting story of friendly mongoose. Mongoose you can see in the pic also. Prisha, have you ever heard of mongoose? Have you heard of mongoose? Prisha, do you know? It is a creature, beta. It looked like a mouse, a very big mouse, but you can say it is enemy of mouse and snake. They are animals. They have a kind of strange animals feeling for each other, and we can't say a snake can be stronger. A snake is stronger, or a mongoose is stronger than a snake. Now here I start with the story. Very interesting story. Sophia, I am audible. I am audible, bache. Sophia, give me gesture. Give me physical gesture. Yes, okay, beta. A farmer, his wife, and their small child lived in a village. This is a story, very interesting story of a farmer. There was also a baby mongoose in the house. And here the characters in the story are introduced. There is a baby mongoose also, who they believed would be their son's companion and friend in future. Means they took this mongoose, baby mongoose, as a friend to their son. One day the farmer and his wife went out, leaving the child alone with the mongoose. Now what happens? One day they leave the child with this mongoose. Now here the story starts. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. Means there are three members in the story: a farmer, his wife, and their son. They loved him very much. He must have a pet. Pet, you understand, beta? Pet means the animals we can have pet. Prisha, can you name some animal we used to have as pet at home? Pet animals. Which pet animals we usually have at home, at our home? Yes. Dog.
Dogs, cats.
Yes. Dog, cat. Yes, Sargun. Yes, beta. Dog, cat, any other domestic animals, we all can have, na? Fine. Yes, Sargun, you want to add something? Yes.
Ma'am, cows.
Cows, domestic animals, yes. So here, what they think of, you see, they think of a different thing. What they think of, the farmer said to his wife, we must have a pet when our son grows up. Why do you want to have a pet? Because they think that when their son grows up, he will need a companion. Means they want a pet to be the companion of their son. This pet will be our son's companion. Companion, you know, for the sake of company. As a friend, as a companion in the home. His wife liked the idea. Now, farmer's wife, she also liked the idea. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. And the day it comes, when he brings down a baby mongoose, a tiny mongoose with him. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but he'll soon be fully grown. Now, when this farmer, he brings this mongoose, the wife is aware of one fact. She is little bit, we can say, worried. She's worried about, but it will soon fully grow. But you know that there is difference in the growth of the animals and the human beings. We human beings, we grow with the passage of time. Our growth is little bit slower than the animals. If you have seen, if you think of dog as pet, So age span of dog is near about 7 to 12 years. उनकी जो full age that life span is, that is 7 to 12 years. ये उनकी full life होती है, ठीक है? So if you see a dog, a pet of 1 month, then after 2-3 months, then 6 months, and within a year, you can see that they grow a lot. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son. Now, see, there is a worry in the speech of the wife. She says, when our son grows up, he will need a companion. This pet will be our son companion. He brought it. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son. She thinks that it will no doubt be a good companion to their son. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size. As I told you, that the animals, they grow very, very fastly, or their growth is very fast. A lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. Let us see the adjective, use of adjective in this sentence. I told you that you should be able to recognize the form of word. A lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. See, the noun, if you pick out noun here, you have done noun. Nouns are Shivin. Yes, Shivin, can you tell me? Yes, Shivin. Unmute. Yes, beta. Shivin, can you tell me noun in this line, in this sentence? A lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. Search for the nouns. Yes. Yes, Shivin.
Ma'am.
Yes. Nouns.
Ma'am, which sentence?
A lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. Search for the nouns in this sentence.
A baby is looking.
Okay.
Ma'am, which sentence?
Okay, Tanishka.
Ma'am, animal.
Yes, animal.
Eyes and tail.
Eyes and tail. Yes, well done. Very good. And
Eyes.
tell me adjective. Now adjective. Tell adjective also.
Ma'am, adjectives are lovely, shiny, black, and bushy. And two also.
Two also. Yes, very good. Very good. So, beta, in any sentence in your book, you can search for the words or the grammar points you are learning. Isn't it? Yes, very nice, beta. A lovely animal. A is determiner, lovely is adjective, animal is noun. With 2 shining black eyes. If you are given this phrase and you are asked to search for the adjective and noun here. Eyes is the noun here. 2 shiny black. These are adjectives. Then again, bushy is adjective and tail is noun. Because you should be able to recognize the form of words. Very good. Very, very well done. Yes, beta. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternatively. So, beta, you can see that the mongoose has grown into a full-size animal creature with shining black eyes and bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby, but that baby was still a baby in the cradle, Write down the meanings with you. Write down all the words I have marked. Cradle. Cradle is a rocking baby cot. जिसको हम चूना बोलते हैं ना बच्चों के लिए. That is cradle. Rocking baby cot. Sleeping and crying alternatively. The son of the farmer was still a baby, but the mongoose has grown into a good animal, a bigger animal now. One day the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. Now what happens? Here comes the climax of the story. But in coming time, in your PP4, you are going to write stories. Okay? So you should learn. You can see that here is the climax of the story. Climax in a story is must to create interest in the story. One day the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She goes to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. Now she leaves the child in the cradle and goes to the market. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband. Now she talks to her husband. She is going to the market and what she tells her husband. What she says, I am off to Badar. Better write down all the words I have written here for you. Write the words. I am off to Badar. Off to Badar means going. Means you are not writing. Off to Badar means going to market. I am going to market. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Now, but keep an eye. These are a kind of the phrasal words. Fine. Keep an eye means take care of. Write down. When you will revise a chapter, better for exam point of view, you will have to read the chapter on your own. So better to write the meanings or the expressions I am describing in this chapter. Many expressions are used. Okay, you write side by side. Yes, keep an eye on him. Keep an eye on him means take care of. Neil, you are not writing beta, write down. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. Now, mother is worried. She wants the farmer to take care of the child. The baby is sleeping. I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. See, now she is worried. She was happy when the mongoose was baby mongoose, but today she is worried because he has grown. You need not be afraid. Beta, here I would like you to note this word need. Need here, it is used as a main verb. Fine. Need not be afraid. Means आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं. Otherwise हम बोलते हैं ना, he is in need of. It is used as a noun as well as verb. The same word is used. You need not be afraid, said the farmer. The mongoose is a friendly animal. It is as sweet as our baby, and they are the best friends you know. You see, wife is worried, but the farmer is confident about the friendship of mongoose and his son. The wife went away, and the farmer having nothing to do in the house. Now the wife has gone to the market, and the farmer has to do nothing at home. So he decided to go out and take a look at his fields not far away. What he thought of? He decided to take a look at. Take a look at means to just have a view, the attentive view of the farms. Means he goes to his farm. He ran into some friends on the way back and didn't return for quite some time. Now on the way, ran into. See again, this verb means that he met by chance. He met by chance, he met his friend, and it took some time, means he took some time to return to home. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. Groceries are the items, write down with them. Groceries are the items of food. Grocery shop बोलते हैं ना हम लोग. groceries. Now the wife, he returns with the basket full of groceries, food items. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. As if means she assumes that he had been waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her. Now, when the moment, as soon as the mongoose saw her, he ran to her. You to see the expression. I would like you to see this expression, on seeing her. On seeing her means, beta, when it is ing used, it is continuation. You know, continuous you understand very well. है ना? Continuous कहाँ होता है? जब वो action, when that action is going on. ठीक है? It means this action is going simultaneously. The moment he saw the farmer's wife, he ran to welcome her. He comes close to the wife of the farmer, as was customary. Customary means usual practice, habit of. Now here, customary, I can point out that if you have pet at your home, है ना? Now lower down your hands, please. Lower down your hands. Yes, all lower down your hands, and now those will raise their hands who have pets at home. Who have pets at home? Yes, Desam, you have pet at home? Desam, you have pet? Manyata?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Manyata, you have pet at home?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. When you goes out of your home and sometime when you come back, okay, when you have gone out of your home for 2-3 hours, or when your papa returns from his business or so, how does your dog behaves? How does your dog behave? आपका dog कैसे behave करता है बेटा?
मैम वो ऊपर को चलता है.
Try to climb the honor. Okay, Himanshu. Yes, Himanshu. How your dog? You have pet?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, you have heard what I told Manyata?
Ma'am, yes.
How your dog behave when you come back from market or for long hours when your papa comes back? How your dog behaves?
Ma'am, start licking my hands.
Yes, these different gestures are there. Anna, this is customary. These are called the customary or habitual actions. Fine. So he is in habit of. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was customary. Means as it was his habit of, when the farmer or his wife comes back, he runs to them. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. But see what happened today. Today the farmer's wife, she screamed when she looked at the mongoose. Blood, she cried. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. Smeared means covered. She saw that there was all blood on the face and paws of the mongoose. You wicked animal, now she cried. You wicked animal, you have killed my baby. See the adjective she has used for her pet. What kind of adjective? It is negative. Wicked. You have killed my baby. She screamed hysterically. Hysterically means you can say in shock, in panic. And panic when we are confused and shocked, we are scared. She was blind with rage. Rage means anger. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the pet. Brought down means throw with force. You see, this is the natural expression. This is the natural response, we can say. When she is shocked to see the blood on the face of the mongoose, she cried loudly. She, she is shocked. She is panicked. She screamed on the blood-smeared mongoose and ran inside the child cradle. Now, what was the expression? What was the next action of the lady? She threw the basket. She threw the basket full of groceries on the blood-smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. Now she comes inside. The baby was fast asleep, and now she is astonished to see the baby was sleeping peacefully. He was fast asleep. Fast asleep, we say, sleeping, having a sound sleep. But on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. You can see in the picture, there was a snake on the floor, died. In a flash means in a moment, she realized what had happened. She thought what might have happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. If the snake was dead and the mongoose was there, it means the snake, this mongoose must have killed the snake. She ran out looking for the mongoose. Now she realized and she comes out. Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done? Now she regrets. What have I done? She cried, touching the mongoose who lay dead and still. Means due to her that action, due to the weight of the grocery, the mongoose had died. Unaware of her sobbing, she was crying helplessly, worthlessly. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly. Beta, hastily means without thinking, and rashly is the response. Without thinking, he responded hastily, fastly, immediately. Stared long at the dead mongoose. Stared long at means stared at, looking at something regularly for long time. Then she heard the baby crying, and naturally the baby was alive. He started crying. Wiping her tears, she sent him to feed him. She picked her baby there. So this is the interesting story, and we learned so many things from this story. I would like to collect from you what you have learned. Yes, Vita.